Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 30th, 2021. We have four Sudokus or puzzles left. The first one I have solved. We have a Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, Sudoku mix, and a binary puzzle. So one, two, three, 4 puzzles left. But first, I will solve this Sudoku with 4 stars. Number 3757. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. And for 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve if it's really a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in the last column. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Look, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 5 and the 7 are left. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. 5 should be there, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 8. Let me see. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 and a 4 in the first row, so no 9 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 9 and 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? For the numbers 1 and the 2 are missing. Yes, 1 and the 2. Alright. Okay. Let me see. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column B3 in the middle column, no, need 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column B3 in the second column, no, need 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 3. How about 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between the second row. No, not the second, the row between. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay. Then 8, 4, and 4 should be here. Okay. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then. We have a pair. We have a pair. Look. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 in this box. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in... Sorry, we have a pair. We have a 3 and a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. With 3 and a 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Alright. Alright. Then. 4. Aha. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have 4 in one of those two boxes. In this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 3, 6 and 7. I'm thinking 2, 6 and 8. Yeah. 8. Thinking. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Alright. That means in this row we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 7 in this box. The 7 could be here, could be there. 2. Yeah. 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this big square. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an 8. The 8 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 7 and 8. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. Yeah. We have a 2 here in this column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be in those 2 boxes. Together with the 7, we have a pair, 6 and the 7. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes here. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes here. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7, 8. The 9 is missing here. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 and more. That box will be a 9. And this box will be a 4. Now we have a 9 here. This box can be 9 and more. That box will be a 9. And this box will be a 3. Okay. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. All right. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 4 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers of 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. The 2 and the 7 are missing. And let me mark those 2 and the 7. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this middle row, so this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box will be a 7. And this box will be a 6. Alright, 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Okay. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Okay. How about 6, 7, 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 7 now missing. 6 and the 7. We see a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. Now we have a 7 there, so this box will be 7 and more. That box will be a 7, and this box will be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box will be 2 and more. That box will be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 2 missing numbers now. The 4 and the 8 in this column. 4 and the 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. Let me mark those. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box will be an 8, and this box will be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box will be 6, and this box will be a 1. Alright. Okay. How about 1 number left in this row for number 1? Then. 175. Okay. 6, 2, 4, 6, 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 4. No. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this row, the second row. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left should be the 2. All right. Okay. 1, 5, 8. 8 in this row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. Then 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, and look, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then. How about these two numbers? The 1 is missing and the 7 is missing here. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 6 and the 4. 6 and the wow. Now we have a 4 there, overlooked. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 6, overlooked. 1 box left in this first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. All right. Yeah. Then we have a 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only place for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Wow. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars. Because I'm faster than 20 minutes. Here, this one is more difficult than that one. Although it has 25 printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Well, you cannot always say a 4 stars or a puzzle with 24 printed digits is more difficult than a puzzle with 25 printed digits. So sometimes you have a lucky with less pairs or not a lot of hidden numbers. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.